Hi Math 094 students. I want to give you a quick run through of what our Canvas course looks like and how to navigate through the Canvas course setup. So when you log into our Math 94 section 62 course in Canvas, this is the first page you should see, the welcome page. It's got a little bit of information about me, a tab to take you to the modules, and some other tabs down here as well that may be helpful for you. So you'll either want to go to the modules over here from the side or from right here. And what you can see is that the first module is called Getting Started. And you will work your way through this list. You've got a Getting Started checklist, some information about the course, some information about me. The syllabus is right here. Some technical requirements, how to access the ebook, information about embedded tutoring. I'm going to show you that in a second. A reminder of the attendance policy, how to save your work and submit it as a PDF, Heartland policies, Netiquette and Zoom statements, support services, and important dates. And so it's all in the Getting Started. Some of those are going to be the same in all of your classes, but obviously some of them are going to be different. So about this course will be specific to our course. It shows you all the learning objectives that we're going to cover. My information, again, my email, my Zoom office hours, and when I'm available for that, and a little bit of information about me. I hope to get a picture up before we actually start the semester, but I'm working on that. Here's our syllabus. You can just click on this link to open that up. I go through that in a separate video, so I'm not going to read through that here. Technical skills, I'm going to get to some of the specific ones. So here's a tutorial for how to access the ebook that's included inside of ALEX. So remember, you do not need to purchase a textbook. It's all for you inside of ALEX. You can just follow these directions to find the textbook, and it's actually a very easy to read. There's the reading pages. There are lots of videos where they will go through the examples in the textbook for you and with you, and images. This is one that I really wanted to hit very hard. We have an embedded tutor in our class. Jean LaPaz is a master tutor with us here at Heartland, and she is inside of our course with us. So you can use her just like you would use me. She's got drop-in hours specifically for this class. So my hours, remember, are like either 9:30 to 11 or 10 to 11, Monday through Thursday. And then at 11, Jean's hours start and run from 11 to 1, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So you have help available for you from between 9:30 to 10 and 1 p.m., Monday through Thursday. You can just drop into her room just like you can drop into mine during those hours by clicking on this link. Just like me, you can also make a tutoring appointment with Jean if you need help outside of those hours. So you can email her or you can fill out a tutoring request form to work with her. And you can also email her just like you would email me with questions. And basically, your best bet is to email both of us at the same time with a question, and we will answer you back. Whoever sees it or is able to get to it first will do a reply all, answering back, so that we're all in the loop. And that just basically doubles your opportunity to get the fastest answer back as possible. We have other tutors on campus as well. Jean just so happens to be in our course with us, so she's probably the best one to help. But if you have worked with a different Heartland tutor before and you would like to work with them in this course, that's absolutely great as well. So here are library drop-in times and appointments that you can do. We also have a tutoring area in the ICB, if that just works better. If you're on campus and most of your classes are there, feel free to use those. And we have virtual help lab drop-in hours listed here for other tutors, and you can visit their website if you need more information. And finally, we have another opportunity specific for math tutoring. So the Tutoring Center does everything. They have math tutors there, but we have a specific area called the Math Success Center now on campus just for math. It is in ICN 1004, so the lower level of the ICN building. We have math-specific assistance available Monday through Thursday from 9 to 3, and they can help with anything from pre-algebra through calculus. There is new soft seating, phone chargers, and a place to gather with friends and do your work. So again, this would be a great space if for whatever reason your computer isn't working well or your internet is down. Please know that all of these places are great places just to come to campus and get some work done. You can also get Zoom help from our MSc staff by clicking on this link and filling out a form. Just a reminder of the attendance policy. I also go over that in the syllabus, so I will not read it again here. Some more information on how to save your work and submit it as a PDF, because you will need to do this for your quizzes and your tests in order for them to be graded. And if you do not do this part, I will not grade it. You will just get a 0. So you need to have all problems with work or justification. No question can just include a final answer or state, quote, no work needed. Everything in this course requires some sort of work. You're above the level of single number answers. Everything you do in this class is going to have required at least 1 or 2 or 5 steps to get to that answer. And I expect to see those steps and to see that final answer circled. Your problems need to be numbered. I have to know what I'm looking at. Okay, no chicken scratch. These are the same pages that are in every course, so I'm going to sort of skip through these. It's important information, but I'm not going to read these. These support services are absolutely amazing, so read through those, see if there's anything on here that might apply to you if you're needing some help. These important dates. And then what we get to, I'm going to go back out to that main modules page. Once you get done with that getting started module, then we have the weekly modules. So the first one runs from August 16th to 22nd, and then it's just all of the rest of them are set up in the same fashion. So I'm going to go through this first one, and then you will know that the rest of them flow the same way. So there's always an overview, and then a reminder of our tutoring. Then there is the assignments and assessments. So the Let's Do Math page, and in this case, you have a quiz. There are videos, supplemental videos, and possibly instructor videos if I add any. Sometimes I might add some, and sometimes I might not. So you always check it there to see if I've added anything. Sometimes I will, sometimes I might not. And then either a discussion, again, on those non-exam weeks, and then a summary. If it's an exam week, you'll have an exam in there somewhere. So let's just quickly kind of go through what this looks like. This tells you that in the first week, Module 1, there are 20 goal topics. But remember, whenever you do your knowledge check at the beginning of the class, some of these topics might already get filled in. So depending on what you come into the course already knowing, maybe you already know 5 or 6 or 10 of these goal topics, so you may not have to work through all 20, but getting all 20 completed is the goal for the week. So all of these are the topics, or these are the objectives for those topics. And it says right here, you're expected to do that initial knowledge check, do your homework. So this is going to decide where basically are you placed, what do you already know. So some of these things may be checked off. You're going to do your homework for anything required here that was not checked off. This one, the weekly quiz, is just a syllabus and course information quiz, and then do your posting. And again, I will likely get a video placed here before the semester officially kicks off, but if not, then I would just delete that. A reminder of our embedded tutoring. So that's there for you in every module for quick access. And then it says, let's do math. So get your notebook out, get your pencil out, write down all of your work, and go, basically it just directs you to go over here and click this Alex Math tab. And once you go into Alex Math, Alex itself will lead you through what to do next. And that will be a separate video. I'm not going to click on that now, but it tells you you're going to do Start My Path. You do that initial knowledge check, and you want to do the very, very best that you can on that. Remember, anything that gets checked off on that knowledge check is less work that you have for the entire course. It will probably lighten most of your weekly progress loads. so that instead of having the entire list of topics, you only have a portion of that to complete. Alex will fill in your pie as you progress as you master concepts. Inside of Alex are explanations, videos, and problems to practice. Really, everything you need is inside of Alex. And then we have what comes next that is provided outside of Alex. So we have this course information quiz. You just click here to take this quiz. Here's our supplemental videos. So if you find that you're just what's going on in Alex and how they're explaining it is not working for you, come here next. Come to these supplemental videos. These are videos that we've scoured the internet for that we think are really good at explaining the topics of the week. And again, I may add extra instructor videos here. These are things like these may not even come until later. I may wait and see if it seems like everyone's struggling on a certain type of problem. I might make a video and toss it here. So some weeks there may be some weeks there may not. And your discussion for the week. So week 1 is just an intro. Read through here. Make sure you follow and answer all of the prompts here. So pretty easy things for the first week, right? For the first week, you're going to do a syllabus quiz, basically, over the course policies and procedures. You're going to introduce yourself in the discussion, and you're going to take that initial knowledge check to get started. And then there's a summary. It says, have you done all of these things? Make sure you can say yes, 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 yes. And as long as you can do that, you're finished with your week 1. And you will notice that the next module is week 2. And it's rinse and repeat at that point. They all have the same flow. So I hope this helps you to get started navigating through the Canvas course. And as always, message me if you've got questions.